Hello everyone, it's Rini from Rini Rocks. Today I'm going to make a flower coaster. We're going to use Heavenly Gates, some white silver glass chips, and some of these beads that I found, which I thought were pretty cool. And I've just mixed those up together. And we're going to use Let's Resin's resin dye, blue violet and peach red. And my white pigment paste. I'm just going to quickly mix up the resin dyes. So I think it's a few drops in about 10 milliliters of resin for each color. And in total I have mixed up, I think it was 100 and oh my goodness, let's see here. I think it was 150 milliliters for this 150 milliliters for this mold. The dogs are going crazy in the background. Just make sure, give them a good stir. Now I only have one of these molds, and I think I need to buy some more because you'll see at the end of the video the effects that it creates. I really like it. And you'll see here I have already gone ahead and mixed up my white pigment paste, and that's, I think that was about 20 milliliters. So what I'm just going to do is just pour the white around the perimeter of the flower mold. Sorry for all the noise in the background. It's pretty busy actually for being late in the evening. I'm on my front porch doing this voiceover. So now I'm just taking the blue violet and placing that around the edge of the white. Now what you won't see in this video is that I actually went in and I made another one, which I actually like better than this one. You'll see. The only thing that I did differently was just outline. Let's see, what did oh yes, when I was pouring the colors, I just made sure that I followed more of the design of the mold as I was pouring. So you'll see over here one I didn't spread it out so it could kind of peak, create that triangular edge, I guess. And it really did make a difference in how the petals formed on the back side. Well, what would be the back side, but I actually liked how both sides of these turned out. But anyways, so you'll see now I'm placing the peach red. And now with the remaining resin, I'm just going to flood it. Just give it a little torch. And my torch is pretty much a goner. It's not working properly anymore. So I have to get a new one. And I'm just going to place a little bit of the glitter mix in the center of the mold. I think next time, again, I did the same thing with the second one as well. I feel like I added a little bit too much, but, well, I don't know. It is what it is. All right. Just heat it up a little bit, get things moving. Okay, so it's time to demold this beauty. What do you guys think? I think it turned out great. Off camera, what I didn't show was I just did a little swirl. But overall, I really am happy with how this one turned out. And I'm on the fence about whether or not I'm going to edge these or not. I haven't decided yet. I still have to do a flood coat on the other side because this mold, I don't know, it has some scratches in there. But it's always good to, I always flood coat or do a top coat on my coasters anyway. It just adds that extra shine. But there you go. It's actually quite stunning. I absolutely love the two colors, the blue violet and the peach red combined with the white. It just pops. I really, really like it. And I did get that effect, even though you can't see it. But here they are, guys. And that's the second one. See how the petals just changed a little bit, were a little bit different, more pronounced. But thank you all for watching.